I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Google Play Games and Google Play Store are updated and you have at least 500 MB free. Once done, restart your device to kill stray processes and toggle Wi-Fi or mobile data to rule out network glitches. Next, go to Settings, right arrow, Apps, right arrow, Google Play Games, and clear cache only. Repeat for Google Play services. This removes transient corruption without losing account data, and it often restores normal startup behavior so the app can reconnect cleanly. If cache clears fail, force stop the app and clear app data to remove corrupted local files. Remember, this can reset settings. Once done, uninstall updates for Google Play Store and Google Play services, then reopen and let them update automatically to get fresh binaries. Also check your Google account sync, remove and re-add the account to refresh credentials. Finally, verify date and time are set to automatic. Mismatched time often blocks Play authentication and can cause persistent errors. As a final step, uninstall and reinstall Google Play Games to ensure a clean install, then launch a simple game to confirm functionality. Make sure background data is enabled and exempt Play Games from aggressive battery optimization so services can run uninterrupted. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to check for third-party app interference. Reproduce the issue there. If it works in safe mode, remove recent apps. One troubleshooting tip: capture Logcat or use a diagnostic app before factory resets to avoid unnecessary data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.